Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So this afternoon, I have done a live stream to show the whole process of making this cheesecake, and the reason is I am just have a big craving for cheesecake. So I searched online and experimented and made this cheesecake. This is what I thought. The left one is this. This one is very, very good. I use cornstarch, and today on live stream I made this one with flour. Let's see the result. I didn't put oil, so at the end to put oil in the pan to separate it. I just do not want to put any more oil. I think it's good enough already. Let's try it. So that is it. I will cut it this way so that you can see. Bring it up. This is using flour. The black is the vanilla. Okay, let me taste it. Oh my goodness. So flour, cornstarch, I put a little bit less sugar in it because I feel that if something too sweet is not delicious. The flour has some raisin quality, I feel. It feels softer. And this one feels silky and more firm and silky. I don't know if that makes sense. It's very, 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 very delicious. Perfect. Finally, I made it more or less like a Basque cheesecake. Oh, I'm so happy. So happy. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Gulu, gulu, bye, bye. Now I can write the recipe now. Since I have done it and it turns out really good, I can write the recipe. Yeah, you can check on my Etsy shop. Bye bye, friends.